Koromo gi moko kuom governors ma pacho ka ochwalo ywak margi ne migawo mar thieth ka giwacho ni nengo mamalo mar tiego jolony e weche mag thieth magikoni miyo ok giyud ber moro amora e omenda ma gitiyo godo e wechego ka giloso e romo mar sirikende mag kor gwenge kaunti ma Garissa. Gavana go wacho ni tek mondo oyud jothieth ma kamago e osiptende ka thieth thietho kata bang' sirikande mag gwenge tiyo kod omenda mathoth ma owinjo bed ni chiwo negi godo tiegruok.
Tunataka madaktari wetu waende kusoma. Wakienda kusoma lazima mshahara unaendelea kulipwa. Ile sheria vile inavyosema katiba ni kwa mambo ya training ichukuliwe na serikali kuu. Sisi wakimaliza training tuwachukue kama specialist katika departments zile ambazo kwamba zilioko.
Counties sacrifice a lot of resources for consultants to go for training. You come in as an MO or medical officer of health, and then we send you for training. We release you, even if we are not the ones paying for your fees, but you will go to Kenyatta National Hospital, train for 3, 4, 5 years. And you imagine that we pay you full salary when you are away. That is an investment that the counties have made. And then they come back and they want the workload to be reduced to rounds twice a week.
We are overproducing in certain specialties, and in certain specialties we are lacking. And their place is being taken by foreign specialists. Ultimately, we want to turn our country to be the hub of medical tourism. And that is why, under SHA, I have gazetted